Put my computer bag up there. Beer cooler here. Coffee pots on board. Got ice. Plenty of snacks. It's looking pretty good. Ooh, there's a big spot. We got to do a lot on this trip. But leaving today, Thursday, going to Tampa, spend the night. Tomorrow we go to Moline. Spend either 1 day or 2 days in Moline, we don't know which, then back to Tampa, then back. I'll throw my jacket back there, I'm not going to need it. Grab my GoPros here. Okay. It's good. We're ready to go. Part of the emergency lighting system. Egress lights along the wing here. Ooh, they're 10 minutes out. Set 6,300 pounds of fuel. Okay, circuit breakers are in.
V1, rotate. Posture.
You're up. You're up. Flaps up, yaw down.
Flaps up. Yaw's on.
Citation to Quebec, contact St. Louis departure.
Good day to Quebec. St. Louis, citation November to Quebec. 1.3 for 3,000.
Citation to Quebec, St. Louis departure. Radar contact, climb and maintain 5,000. St. Louis altimeter 3015.
Up to 5,000 on 3015 to Quebec.
5,000.
Citation to Quebec, turn left heading 110 when able. Proceed direct to plus and resume the plus 5 departure.
110 direct to plus when able and resume the plus 1 departure to Quebec.
110 direct plus when able.
Citation to Quebec, contact departure 128.1 for higher. Good day.
28.1, good day to Quebec. St. Louis, citation November to Quebec, out of 4,000 for 5,000.
Citation to Quebec, St. Louis approach, climb and maintain 15,000.
Up to 15,000 to Quebec.
15,000. Missions norm.
Takeoff complete.
Thank you.
Tier 1231, descend and maintain 2,500. Tier 1231, roger. To Quebec, clear visual approach runway 1 right, maintain 2,600 until northwest runway 4 McDill.
Okay, cleared visual to 1 right, 2,600 until north McDill.
Okay, 2,600 till North McDill. We're cleared for the visual to 1 right.
November to Quebec, contact tower 119.5.
95 to Quebec today. Tampa Tower, citation November to Quebec is with you for 1 right.
Citation to Quebec, Tampa Tower, runway 1 right, continue. Traffic will be holding in position and departing party arrival.
To Quebec, roger.
Okay,
Back
continue.
351 Alpha Mike, Tampa Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
1 right, line up and wait. 351 Alpha Mike.
Southwest 2086, turn right, Whiskey 6, contact ground point 7.
Over to ground, Southwest 2086.
Autopilot's disengaged. 26.
Number 175 Echo Whiskey, contact departure.
Flaps to approach.
Flaps approach.
Over departure, Echo Whiskey, see ya.
And we're north of McDill. Gear down for a lane check.
Gear down. Landing gear is down and locked 3 green. Flaps and yaw to go.
To go.
Medevac 351 Alpha Mike, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff, wind 310 gust 19er.
Clear for takeoff 1 right, Medevac 351 Alpha Mike.
Citation 2 Quebec, Tampa Tower, runway 1 right, clear to land, wind 310 gust 19er.
Clear to land on 1 right to Quebec.
Flaps to land.
Left lane.
Got a strong wind from the left.
Medevac 351 Alpha Mike, contact departure.
Contact departure, Medevac 351 Alpha Mike.
Attention all aircraft, net departure information, Romeo's current, the altimeter 3007.
500.
Yacht Air is disengaged.
JetBlue 226, disregard. JetBlue 226, Tampa Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
Speed brakes.
Line up and wait, 1 right, JetBlue 226.
Tampa ground citation November 2 Quebec is clear, 1 right, taxi signature.
November 2 Quebec, Tampa ground taxi via Echo and hold short of runway 28.
Emergency lights are off, battery master's off. There's our vehicle. I need to run the vacuum over this carpet before we get going. I moved the cart to the front. Got to run in here real fast. Everything's squared away. We're going to be heading to the hotel in just a minute. It just took us an hour to go 12 miles. The traffic was so bad. There were a couple of accidents, but we're here now. We made it. I think we're going to scratch going back for dinner with Scott. I got to pack up and get out of here. Yep, things didn't quite go how we had planned, but that's okay. Things happen. Sometimes you got to change the plan and go with it. Took us over an hour to get here yesterday evening. Scott's flight didn't take off till 6 p.m., so we just went over to the Outback and had dinner and then spent the night. We're back out here the next morning. Didn't really do anything while I was here, but I tell you what, in Florida today, it's pretty nice. Look at that out there. Beautiful. Yeah, I think the temperature is going to be about 70 degrees today. We're going to stop and get a quick lunch, head over to the airport, Tampa International, and then what we're going to do is we're going to head up to Moline. One of the owners' son is in a basketball game. I think it's a tournament, but we'll find out what's going on.
Were you going to get snacks on your airplane? I should have arrived earlier.
Don't let him in our air. Yeah, stop following us, buddy.
Exactly.
Yeah, friggin' stalker there. Oh, he used to fly that one? Oh, I didn't realize that. Yeah, there's 7 Papa Delta. I've flown that one. They're supposed to be here at 2:30. It says 1:30 Central Time. They're late. They need to be here. Okay. I've got the clearance and the ATIS. Clearance says the Indid 7, Seminole transition, Pocket City, direct. I maintain 6,000. Spike 40010 after. I hear somebody coming. Well, we got a little change of plans here. The vehicle that they came in is directly behind the left engine with the bags in it, and it's locked, running with the keys in it. We could start the right engine, pull out, make a turn and start the left one, but they need their stuff out of the car. They're trying to get somebody over here to unlock it. They got it.
Direct destination 5 Whiskey Foxtrot.
I missed somebody else's call.
Tower, Citation 2 Quebec is with you for the visual 9er.
Citation 2 Quebec, Quad City Tower, runway 9er, clear to land. traffic, Skyhawk, left downwind runway 5.
Runway 9, clear to land to Quebec.
Clear to land on
106010. And citation to Quebec, square your base to final.
Oh,
To Quebec.
Sky 47 Juliet, traffic citation 4 miles south of field, entering on right base, runway 9.
147 Juliet, look into the traffic.
he said he's going to call her.
No, he said square it.
Oh, square it. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought he said call it. He's going to call it. All right, flaps approach, please.
Speed checks selected. Flaps indicate approach.
1060
And gear down, 4 landing check.
Selected. Three green, we're holding at the landing
I
flaps.
see 3 green.
South 4269, Quad City clearance, clear to Detroit Metro Airport as filed, maintain 4000. Spec flight level 270, 10 minutes after departure. Departure
And flaps
frequency
full,
125.905, squawk
Selected.
6544.
Can you reload those speeds?
Sure. Flaps indicate full, holding on the yaw damper. 111, 117.
Thank you.
Skyway is 4269, right back correct. In citation to Quebec, sky traffic is now on the runway, no factor.
To Quebec.
That's a good thing.
Yeah?
Cessna 472 is at parking.
Yes, I'll be going to Elliott.
Cessna 472, taxi to LABS, straight in.
Straight into Elliott. 47 Juliet.
Yaws away.
4-lane checklist complete.
Speed brakes, please.
Extended. Very nice, very nice.
Thank you.
I think black Chrysler 300, so this must be ours. Keys are going to be in it.
B or something? And,
Yeah.
And it's really not going to be active.
Okay, we're trying to find out where this game is. We just raced out of that FBO, and I'm sure they thought we were pretty crazy because we didn't have time to stop and talk to them there. But what's the name of this college we're going to? And Augusta something? I know, I've never been there. Augustana. We're going to Augustana, Rock Island, Illinois. That's where we're going. What we do tomorrow is dependent upon who wins the game. I'm in Davenport, just across the river from Moline. Got to get out there, take off back to Tampa. We got here yesterday late afternoon, went to the ball game. The team lost. I got to get rolling here. Good morning. When did they renovate it? Look at that.
10 years ago.
Cool.
11 years.
We'll have to come back when we got more time.
King, huh?
Yeah. Oh, I never heard the trains.
You never heard train?
No.
Oh, I don't know how many times I heard. Blowing their whistle.
Nobody's going to be here for a couple hours, so we're going to start the airplane turn the nose into the sun so that the sun is on it for an hour, and that'll take that frost off. Everybody's getting delays going into Florida and over the Gulf Coast. Really nothing we can do about it other than just kill a little time here. All our passengers are going to go get some breakfast. Well, that gives us plenty of time for the frost to melt off. Kind of makes that irrelevant now. Well, this is Elliott Aviation. We get some of our maintenance work done here. Well, we get some fresh coffee, turn in the keys for the rental car, and all is good. Actually, this delay kind of worked out well for us. Since we are unexpectedly going back to Tampa a day early, and they're having races there this weekend, all the hotels are sold out. We do have a rental car. Well, it's not a rental car. It belongs to one of the owners, which gives us the ability just to drive hour and a half and find something. Eventually, we'll find something. Down 4-lane shot.
You're down.
Tower, good morning, Rouge 1654, heavy is with you, visual 19 right.
Rouge 1654, heavy Tampa Tower, good morning, wind 140 at 13, runway 19 right, clear
down
land.
and long.
Clear to land, Rouge 19.
Flaps to land.
Flaps land. Flaps are land. You ought to go.
To go.
Delta 1891, Tampa Tower, advisory.
1891, we are ready.
Delta 1891 on departure, amend your altitude, maintain 4,000, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 19 right, 4,000 on departure, Delta 1891, thanks.
Guide efforts disengaged.
4 landing check complete.
Speed brakes.
Okay, a little debrief here. We had that 826 EDCT. We have 5 minutes plus or minus to take off. If not, we would get hit with another delay. We barely made it. They showed up at the last minute. I already had an engine running. Put them on board, started the other one, left. But we're here in Tampa now, taking care of the airplane, fixing to head to the hotel. Oops. Okay, pretty morning here in Tampa. The rain stopped, the wind stopped, the temperature's back up. Heading down to breakfast. They're kicking us out at 12. We can't stay late. Probably depart Tampa at 7:30. They're staying for a race. I think it's an Indy race that's this evening over in St. Petersburg. So, driving a big boat today. I've got the owner's car. Okay. You know, making videos for a vlog is not a natural thing. You've got to force yourself to do it. I have to force myself to do it, to think about it. Because an adult male in an elevator making a video of himself, when you think about it, is really kind of an odd thing. Oh, excuse me. Oh, third floor. Go on in. I was heading down. Now, this is a busy place today. Look at that. We're about to leave the hotel. It's snowing in St. Louis right now, but the temperature's above freezing, and those temperatures are gonna stay above freezing till we get there. So it's not sticking now, and I don't think there's gonna be any accumulation, so it should work out well. Time to check out and get lunch. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.